Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unong aibut jong sor karjalaw Dr. Didi Lapang ulong matungin Pyndem Ïalade. Bau Blei un Pynkhraw yengi. Ia kini kikentiam lapan pau haba ukran na kajingalang. Habarung NPP uba ecam syangpliang ha opus. Kay NPP hasyalo. Uba Didi Lapang lapan pau bau ladap hendai puis nam karata. Hendai uka panwan na kini kajingalang na marus ngokmen bau ba ecam syangpliang ularung siya kaseng NPP. Dr. Didi Lapang, lapan pau baka jing penat Ïalade kalau manbura markeliang, pat menteri hak yala kajang kakam.
The party, Mr. Konrad Sangma, and looking back to the background of this family, here is the place where we got the stalwart like Pynkhraw Sangma, who led this the National Party world, and also to see that the Northeast area has been very much under the purview of the honor, glory, and to see the sunshine and the light of the world through this stalwart area. So Hashibone, Bangyo Kanakalan, but Pi bang Clan Chicken Mercantin, Galaya Kalantiga Bajingai, like a knife waste name Ladamanta. Ngala perkat balese ngala deban songkai no. Kenlay tawadon kalan mentang sudon kumne. Now we don hamne ibriu jongi ibayam yang parti ke jongi bat kumjuro ibayam yang sarkar ke jongi. We don hamne office bearers yang parti ke jongi iba person song deputy chief minister also and also ya basa lan ibdar deputy chief minister we don't rohan honorable MP jongi bakas kulat terten bang kumro sipon kini bang amlawan jer kateng nai kecing sisa kalong bang don hane ipoi hagan ke saka namar ba ila how learn the lesson to see that we forget ourselves and serve others tengane kai kawai kurkhat tengane kapor kaballa yagi bang NPP kalaki bakal dangkiu hablan yung kicing slay yung kicing dap yung kicing yung tenjo ki challenge ki badan na kanaka riga jongi giya sa prang ginangkiu manakasngi bangin nayay kiu keklado kanam sumhashibune bagito ginoyalam yung ne all friends here from Ghana Hills and from Mountain Ram especially we are thankful very much that you have decided to put the wisest suggestion to your leader HM champion to see that he has chosen the way that he can lead along with you. And I hope that with the leader that the champion is there, he lead you to the top of the hill and you see the sunshine and the horizon of the thing. You can really see that one day Mountain Ram will also one of the big leaders of the state jogi and also of the nation. Blei ya di barok hai baniyai sem bagani